Okay guys, if you have this problem with the pairing failed during the setup of the Tapo C310, you just need to close the app, okay, and then you open it again. So I'm just closing here, then I can open it again, and the camera is already in the halfway process, right? So you just need to wait for a while, and the Tapo app is going to find the camera here. And then you just continue from there, and the camera can be added to the Tapo app, right? So let's just refresh here and see if it finds the camera. It's gonna have a general name here for Tapo Cam or something. It's not here yet. Let's just wait a little bit more. Just keep refreshing. Not here yet. And then if that happens, just make sure that you have your cell phone connected to the Wi-Fi. Let me just come back here. And I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi that I was setting up the camera to connect to, which is my regular router here. Okay, and I'm gonna try one more time here with the Tapo app. If it still doesn't work, what I have to do is just unplug and plug the camera back. Basically, disconnect the camera and try again, right? But the camera is halfway there. For some reason, it's just got stuck in the middle of the process. So usually the LED here starts flashing red and green when the camera is ready for the setup, the initial setup. But the camera is, when the camera is halfway, you don't see the LED here flashing red and green, right? Because the camera has some information there already, and it just got stuck on the process. Either you can just reset the camera again by pressing the button resetting to the factory default settings, or you can continue from here by just doing this. You see here? The LED got green now, and it found the camera. Alexa found the camera as well, and you see here the general name, Tapo Cam. So you can continue from here. And it's working, you see it? Pretty nice, right? Now just put the camera back there. So see that's working. There we go. Basically, that's the way you can solve this problem with the Tapo C310, pair failed, or any other Tapo camera. I'm using the Tapo C310 here, but really it works with any camera from Tapo. Okay, I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.